what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the CellBell Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy Gear Sport, and this is for, I bought this from Amazon for 150 rupees. The link is in the description if you want to buy it. And so guys, this is the screen guard, or you can say the screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Gear Sport smartwatch, and I'll show how to apply it. And let's start with the unboxing and review. And this is the Amazon package. Let's check out the CellBell Screen Protector. You can see CellBell Maximum Protection, and here is the package for this, and you can read if you want to, and like this product and product details, scan the QR code, all these stuff, and 1+ million sold. And you can see here. Now let's open it without wasting any further time. Here is the package, and now let's check out without wasting any further time, and let's see. So smoothly packed, and you can see here are the box contents, and they gave like the foam pit, so that here is our screen protector, I think, and let's keep it here. And guys, it's so nicely packed so that the product won't be like broken, and you can see full protection. Here it is, and you can see here it is, the screen protector, and it is written open when you are stressed, and CellBell. Now let's open it, let's see what's in there. And here are CellBell dust remover, use it to clear the dust on the screen. Guiding stickers 1, 2, 3, so good. And you can see wet wipes, dry and wet wipes. First we have to like do the wet wipes and the dry one. Then so guys, they gave so many things so that you can use them. And you can see safe paper, complete user manual available on cellbell.in, their website. You can see, you can check out their website if you want to, and more accessories by them. And now here you can see, what is this, best video of the month up to INR 5000 Amazon gift card. Oh my god, let's win this. And what to do, just shoot a CellBell unboxing video. How to, it's simple to participate. Shoot a video using smartphone/cam, publish on YouTube, hashtag CellBell desk in the video title, submit your entry on the below link, get a gift card of rupees 5000 for being the best video of the month. So guys, now let's see. And now you can see what's more in there, and nothing is there. These were the box contents. Let's see what is this. We are still growing, we need your support. Please don't forget to leave us your product review. I am waiting for. Okay, CellBell, I am posting the video on YouTube, as you can see. I will also put the hashtag CellBell as you said. And so guys, these were the box contents. Let me show you what did you get. This this pamphlet, and main products, the wet wipes and the dry wipes, and the dust removers, and the screen protector. So guys, now let's apply it. So guys, here is the watch, and now let's apply the screen protector, and here it is. You can see it is out now. Let me show you. And let's remove the older one first. This is the old one. I'll throw it. And now as you can see, it is already cleaned. So guys, now let's check out the wipes. Here are these, and first let's see these dust remover and the wipes. Let's check out the wet wipe first, and let's check out the wet wipe. It is still wet, and let's clean it. And it's now cleaned, as you can see. And guys, as you can see, now let's take out the dry wipe. And here it is the, and here is the wet dry wipe, and of pink color, green and pink. Green is the wet one, pink is the dry one. And now let's use the dry wipes. And it is totally cleaned, as you can see. And I don't need these dust remover, as I don't have any dust on my watch, as you can see. So guys, now let's finally clean it. And now let's apply the screen protector. First you have to take it out like this, and now what to do is just paste it like this, and here it is. So guys, after pasting it, just press it and wait for some time to totally like press it, and use these cloths, take the dry wipe and do it like this. Press it totally so that no bubbles are there. Here is one bubble. Let's try to remove the bubble. So guys, you can see it is beautifully applied. This was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and this was all for today's video. This was the CellBell maximum protection screen guard, and it is pretty good. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description, and these were the box contents, and you can see it is applied and it is pretty good, and it is so easily applied. Make sure to check the description box and comment down how was the product. So and guys, bye.